summary video of beginner's salsa routine number 4A. Okay, so I'm going to make a start, face the front, break it down for you. So we started with a mambo, forwards and back. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Crossing side basic, left foot. 1, 2, 3. Susie Q with the right foot. 5, 6, 7. Half right and half left turn. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And then the fourth bar, left foot Susie Q. 1, 2, 3. 2 mambo taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot Susie Q. 1, 2, 3. And starting left foot, 2 more mambo taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I split this routine into 3 sections, taught across a couple of different classes. So that was section 1, the first 4 bars. Let's repeat that twice. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, out and cross. Susie Q. Half to the right, half to the left. Susie Q. Tap, tap. Susie Q. Tap, tap. And once more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Out and cross. Susie Q. Half to the right, half to the left. Susie Q. Tap, tap. Susie Q. Tap and tap. Let's look at section 2, next few bars. Mambo diamond step, 1 to the side, 2 I tap in and turn the knee, 3 I lift, 4 I'm in midair, 5 I land, 6, 7, step behind and replace the weight. Let's do that step again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Pony steps forwards, 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I ran out of room. New York flare back twice. 1, 3, 5, 7. And we did the New York flare on the slow timing. Okay, not the fast timing, slow timing. Let's do that again. Just this little section. Mambo diamond step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn. Ponies forwards. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Step, point, step, point. Once more, section 2. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Step and point, step and point. Let's look at section 3. Facing the left corner, I'm going to do walk on the left, walk on the right, step, tap, step, tap. So let's look at that again. I'm actually going to face the front so you can see that a little bit easier, but when we do it eventually we'll be on the corner. It's 2 core steps, little crossing over walks, and it's technically a Cuban tap to the left and then to the right, but I'm going to use that to slide back. I do it for facing the front first. Walk and walk, tap, step, tap, step. Can you see I'm sliding slightly on the diagonal coming back? Let's do that to the corner. Walk and walk, step, tap, tap. Pivot at the end of that step tap, do the same thing to the next corner. Walk and step, tap. Coming back to your center. We're then going to use the corners again and do a little mambo into the corners. We'll start with the corner that we're at and then we'll go back to the opposite corner. So the V Mambo. Into the corner, second corner, and back. So this is technically 2 lots of things to the corners, okay? So we're going to start the left corner, do the taps and the slides and the walks, go to the right corner, do the same thing, stay in the right corner, do the V Mambo, and then go back to the left. Let's do that all together. Here we go. First of all, we walk. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do section 3 once more, facing this corner. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let us put all 3 sections together. And basic 2, 3, 5, 6, we go. Out and cross, Susie Q. Turn to the right, turn to the left, Susie Q. Tap, step, Susie Q. Tap, step, diamond, lift, out and cross. Left turn, pony steps, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, step and flare, step and flare. Strut and strut, come back, strut and strut, come back. Mambo here, and pause.